Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di video kali ini kita akan melakukan latihan bicara bahasa Inggris dalam bentuk kalimat sederhana, yaitu bertanya tentang kegiatan sehari-hari. Baik, kita mulai saja dengan pelajarannya. Yang pertama, bahasa Inggrisnya salam kenal. Salam kenal bahasa Inggrisnya itu how do you do? Maka untuk menjawab pertanyaan salam kenal ini, kita juga harus menjawab dengan how do you do? Salam kenal, saya David. How do you do? I'm David. Dijawab juga dengan cara salam kenal juga, saya John. How do you do? I'm John. Seperti itu. Kemudian apa kabar? Ini seperti yang sudah kita ketahui, boleh kita menggunakan kata how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Kemudian kamu bicara bahasa Inggris? Apakah kamu bicara bahasa Inggris? Do you speak English? Apakah kamu bisa bicara bahasa Inggris? Can you speak English? Kamu bicara bahasa Inggris? Dalam bahasa Inggris kita bisa mengatakan, do you speak English? Nah, cara menjawabnya, yes I do atau no I don't. Tapi kalau kita menggunakan kata can you speak English? Maka kita menjawab dengan yes I can, no I can't. Baik teman-teman, kita lanjut ke kalimat berikutnya. What is your name? Atau what's your name? Nama kamu siapa? Siapa nama kamu? What is your name? Nama kamu siapa? What is your nickname? What is your complete name? Siapa nama lengkapmu? What is your nickname? Siapa nama panggilanmu? Where do you live? Kamu tinggal di mana? What is your name? My name is John. What is your complete name? My name is John David. What is your nickname? My nickname is David. Where do you live? I live in Jakarta. What is your phone number? Berapa nomor HP-mu? My phone number is 085388772034. Where do you study? I study English in New York. What is your religion? I am Muslim. I'm Muslim. My religion is Islam. What is your ethnic? I'm Javanese. What is your ambition? I want to be a doctor. What is your hobby? I like cooking. What is your marital status? I am single. Kita ulang dari nomor 9. What is your phone number? Berapa nomor HP-mu? Where do you study? Di mana kamu belajar? What is your religion? Apa agamamu? What is your ethnic? Apa sukumu? What is your ethnic? Apa sukumu? What is your ambition? Apa cita-citamu? What is your hobby? Apa hobimu? What is your marital status? Apa status pernikahanmu? Baik teman-teman, silahkan diulang dulu kalimat-kalimat ini. Kalau sudah paham dan sudah mengerti, kita lanjutkan. Where do you come from? Dari mana kamu berasal? I come from Jakarta. Saya berasal dari Jakarta. Where is your hometown? Di mana kampung halamanmu? My hometown is in Jakarta. Kampung halaman saya di Jakarta. What is your nationality? Apa kebangsaanmu? My nationality is Indonesian. Kebangsaan saya adalah Indonesia. How old are you? Berapa umurmu? I am 25 years old. Saya berumur 25 tahun. What is your date of birth? Berapa tanggal lahirmu? 25 January. 25 Januari. What is your father's job? My father's job is a teacher. Pekerjaan ayah saya adalah seorang guru. How many brother and sister do you have? Berapa saudara dan saudara laki-laki dan saudara perempuan yang kamu miliki? I have 5 brother and 2 sisters. I have 5 brothers and 2 sisters. How do you go to work? I go to work by bus. Bagaimana kamu pergi bekerja? Saya pergi bekerja dengan bus. How do you go to your hometown? I go by a car. Saya pergi dengan mobil. What is your intention to come here? Apa tujuanmu datang kemari? I want to study English. Saya mau belajar bahasa Inggris. Do you have any children? Apakah kamu punya anak? Yes, I do. Ya, saya punya. No, I don't. Saya tidak punya. How many children do you have? Berapa anak yang kamu punya? I have 5 children. Do you have any pets? Apakah kamu punya hewan peliharaan? What kind of pet do you have? Apa hewan peliharaan? Apa jenis hewan peliharaan yang kamu punya? I have a cat. Can you drive a car? Bisakah kamu mengemudi sebuah mobil? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Untuk pertanyaan nomor 26, 28, jika pertanyaan itu dimulai dengan do, maka jawabannya harus dengan do juga. Do you have any children? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do you have any pets? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Tapi di nomor 30, can you drive a car? Maka kita menjawab dengan yes, I can atau no, I can't. Di nomor 29, what kinds of pet do you have? Jenis hewan apa yang kamu punya? Maka di sini kita bisa menjawab dengan nama-nama hewan atau jenis-jenis hewan dan sebagainya. Baik, kita lanjutkan ke nomor 31. Can you ride a motorcycle? Bisakah kamu mengendarai motor? Jika bisa, kita menjawab yes, I can. No, I can't. Do you have any driving license? Apakah kamu punya SIM, surat izin mengemudi? Yes, I do. No, I don't. What is your father's name? Siapa nama ayahmu? My father's name is David. What is your mother's name? Siapa nama ibumu? My mother's name is Lucy. What is your sister's name? Siapa nama saudari perempuanmu? My old sister's name is Famila. My little sister name is Luciana. What is your brother's name? What is your brother's name? My brother's name is John, Mr. Jones. My young brother's name is Tony. What is your boyfriend's name? What is your boyfriend's name? My boyfriend's name is Tono. What is your buddy's name? My buddy's name is Joko. What is your uncle's name? My uncle's name is David. What is your aunt's name? My aunt's name is Sarah. Next, what is your grandfather's name? My grandfather's name is Mr. Hussein. What is your grandmother's name? My grandmother's name is Nofi. What is your favorite color? I like blue. What is your favorite food and drink? I like fried rice and milk. What is your favorite book? I like English book. What is your favorite learning subject? Apa pelajaran kesukaanmu? I like English. Saya suka bahasa Inggris. What is your favorite song? I like I lay my love on you. What is your favorite movie? I like Iron Man. What is your favorite sport? I love football. What is your favorite actor or actress? I like Tony Stark, and actress is Sarah. And do you have a boyfriend or girlfriend? Yes, I do. Where do you usually go to spend your holiday? I usually go to spend my holiday in the beach. With whom do you usually go? With my family. Could you tell me about your country? Bisakah kamu menceritakan padaku tentang negaramu? Yes, I can. I can tell you about my country. My country is Indonesia, and Indonesia is amazing country. We have many kind of food, many kind of language, and many kind of language, and many kind of story, and anything else. And tell me about your family and relative. Yes, I have a little family and many kind of character of them, and my family consists of father, mother, little sister, and a big brother. And about my relative, this is a usual relative. There is nothing special about my relative, but my uncle is best of my relative because he is always helpful in my family. That's all about my family and relative. Tell me about your job. I am a doctor. I take care of my patient in hospital. Where is your office? I don't have any office, but I work in a hospital. What do you know about Aceh? I don't know much about Aceh, but I love Aceh. Tell me about your house. Tell me about your house. My house is not big, but it is not small. Oke, nomor 56, 57, 58, 59 adalah pertanyaan biasa. Tell me about your job, ceritakan tentang pekerjaan, di mana kantormu. Nomor 58 adalah ketika kita gunakan pertanyaan ini ketika kita ingin mengetahui tentang sesuatu. Misalnya, what do you know about our country Indonesia? What do you know about apa aja di sini ya? What do you know about our president? What do you know about Aceh? What do you know about Islam? Kemudian ini ketika kita ingin bertanya kepada seseorang tentang sesuatu, tell me about your brother, tell me about your sister, tell me about your house. Kita bisa menggunakan kata tell me about your. Nomor 60, what do you have in your bedroom? Yes, I don't have anything special. I have a pillow, mattress, and something else. Ini kita gunakan untuk menanyakan sesuatu yang dimiliki oleh seseorang di suatu tempat. Misalnya, what do you have in your bedroom? Apa yang kamu punya di kamarmu? Yes, of course, I have a mattress, I have a blanket, I have bed cover, I have wardrobe, I have many clothes in my wardrobe, and I have a doll in my bedroom. Yeah, that's all about my bedroom. What do you have in your living room? Nothing special. In my living room, only a chair and TV. What do you have in your kitchen? I have many stuff in the kitchen like stove and water and plate, glass, and many things else, I think. Kemudian, what do you have in your bathroom? Apa yang kamu punya di kamar mandi? Tadi di ruang tamu, di dapur ya, kita bisa menceritakan tentang kamar mandi kita. Kalau kita mau mengetahui sesuatu informasi, gunakan kalimat ini ya. What do you have in your bathroom, in your office, in your house, dan sebagainya. What I have in my bathroom is, of course, water, dipper, and I have bucket, I have a soap, a shampoo, towel, toothbrush, and toothpaste, and that's all. Could you tell me about your village? Yes, of course. My village is very beautiful. It is located in very far from the city, and most of people in my village are farmers, and they also love plant many vegetable and many fruits. That's what my people in my village do every day. And then what do you know about journalists? I don't know much about journalists because I'm not a journalist, but I know journalists is people who like to deliver the news in every apps they have. And that's all what I know about journalists, because journalists is good job. And then what do you know about labor? I don't know anything about labor because what I know about labor is so not much information. Like they work in factory, and they also have organization that called by labor organization, international labor organization, or something like that. I don't know. And then what do you know about stewardess? What I know about stewardess is they work in a plane, on a plane, and they are beautiful. What do you know about American? Yeah, I know. What I know about American, there are many kind of American. What I know, they are kind, and they are also friendly, and that's all what I know about American. What do you know about Muslim and terrorists? I don't know anything about terrorists, but Muslim, of course, not terrorists. The Muslim is good people, and we love Muslim. And Muslim is not terrorist, and don't say terrorist is a Muslim, because of course terrorist is not Muslim, and Muslim is not terrorist, and they are not related between them. And where is your favorite tourism object? Oh, my favorite tourism object is to visit mountain, and sometimes I like to visit sea, to see a sea, to see the beach, and to see a seashore, etc. etc. And could you tell me about your city? Could you tell me about your city? Yes, my city is not big, but very crowded. How long will you stay here? Maybe in 2 months or more. What time do you usually go to work? Jam berapa biasanya kamu pergi kerja? At 7 o'clock until 5. What do you time usually go home? I go home at 5 p.m. What time do you usually get up in the morning? Of course at 6 a.m. Oke, next. Ini tidak saya terjemahkan karena ini hanya bahasa pertanyaan sehari-hari yang sering kita temui. What time do you usually go to sleep? I go to sleep at 12 p.m. at night. What time do you usually take a nap? I never take a nap. And what time do you usually have a breakfast? Sometimes I have breakfast at 9 a.m. What time do you usually have lunch? I usually have lunch at 2 p.m. What time do you usually have dinner? I always have dinner at 7 or 8 p.m. And then, can you tell me where the hotel is in Lok Smoy, please? Yes, of course I can. If you want to visit the hotel in Lok Smoy, there are many kind of hotel in Lok Smoy, and there are a lot of hotel in Lok Smoy. What kind of hotel do you need? Please tell me, so I can show you some hotel in Lok Smoy. Can you help me, please? Of course I will help you. I can help you. Can you get some drink, please? If you feel thirsty, I will get you some drink if you like it. Where do you want to go? I want to go to New York next time. What will you do? I want to buy something in New York. I want to buy a book. And then what it is? Would you like to come to my party, please? Yes, of course I would like. Would you like to come to my house, please? Would you like to come to my house, please? Yes, I would like to come to your house. What is the biggest building in Luxmoy? Apa building gedung terbesar di Luxmoy? I think the biggest building in Luxmoy is Islamic Center in Luxmoy. What is the biggest building in the world? I don't know. I don't know what is the biggest building in the world. So I don't have any answer about it. Apa gedung terbesar di dunia? What is the most beautiful building in the world? Apa nama gedung paling cantik di dunia? I think it's Kaabah. That's my opinion. What do you think? And then 91, what can I do for you today? I need you to meet my teacher to speak with them because my teacher need a friend and I want you to talk with him now, maybe tonight. Where are you going? I want to meet my friend. Why do you like English? I think English is very fun and I need to speak English every time, every day. Where do you usually cut your hair? I cut my hair in barber shop. Where do you usually go for shopping? I usually go for shopping in a mall or sometime in the shop. Next, where do you usually play football? I usually play football in the field. Where do you usually go traveling? I don't like go traveling. Where do you usually watch movie? I never watch movie in my life. Where do you usually go for dating? I like go for dating. I like going for dating in the city. In the city or for have dinner in a restaurant. What day is today? I think today is Friday. What month is it? It is March. What year is it? 2023, I think. What date is today? Today is 9. How much is it? That's only $5. What do you want to buy? I want to buy a book or a house or a car. Can we negotiate the price? Yes, of course we can. How many books do you have? I don't have any books. Maybe I can mention you about 5 books in my house. And how much sugar do you have? Maybe 1 kilo. Tell me about yourself. My name is John. I live in Jakarta. I work in office and I'm single. I want to have a girlfriend. If you don't have any friend, you can call me, especially a girlfriend. But I don't know. It is only for fun or something else. I think I don't want to tell you much about myself because there is nothing special about my life and myself because I work in office. I start working at 8 o'clock and I go home at 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock at yes 5 o'clock p.m. I do my job almost every day and my life is flat. I cannot tell you about my story much than the other person. Maybe this is all about me, nothing special. And then tell me about your daily activity. My daily activity is working in the office and nothing special about me. That's all about me. Thank you for listening. Saya ceritakan sedikit dulu ya pertanyaan-pertanyaan ini. Can we negotiate the price? Ini ketika kita gunakan kalimat ini untuk menegosiasikan harga. Ini ketika kita bertanya sesuatu yang bisa dihitung dan tidak bisa dihitung, yang bisa dihitung pakai many, yang nggak bisa dihitung pakai much. Tell me about yourself, ini biasanya digunakan untuk pertama kali bertemu seseorang di saat melamar pekerjaan atau saat berkenalan. Tell me about your daily activity adalah pertanyaan yang biasa digunakan untuk menanyakan aktivitas seorang, baik saat melamar pekerjaan atau saat aktivitas di kelas internasional atau kita berkenalan di dalam ruang kelas. Oke, saya rasa jawaban saya hanyalah jawaban yang tidak formal, yang biasa digunakan untuk percakapan sehari-hari yang tidak terlalu menegangkan atau tidak terlalu resmi, tidak perlu terlalu formal, tapi bisa digunakan untuk menjawab beberapa pertanyaan. Saya rasa itu saja video saya kali ini. Mudah-mudahan membantu teman-teman untuk sekedar basa-basi dalam bahasa Inggris. Kita akan bertemu lagi di pelajaran-pelajaran berikutnya. Saya sarankan untuk menonton video-video saya yang lainnya untuk sekedar mengingat lagi beberapa pelajaran-pelajaran yang pernah kita pelajari. Hal ini sangat bermanfaat bagi kita untuk menambah pengetahuan dan menambah kemampuan, meningkatkan skill kita dalam berbahasa Inggris sehingga menambah daya ingat bagi yang sudah lupa. Saya rasa ini salah satu cara kita untuk mengulang-ulang pelajaran. Itu saja dari saya untuk video kali ini, pelajaran kali ini mudah-mudahan bermanfaat untuk bagi kita semua. Sampai bertemu di video berikutnya. Terima kasih telah menonton video ini dan see you, bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.